Hello. A lot of you guys know me as Chahast from a fairly large-sized plush enthusiasm group. I'm a moderator there, and apparently there's been a few little issues. Now, to get this started, this particular group is quite diverse. It goes from anything from cuddling to, lewd sexual acts to, less, even more or less acceptable things within the group, such as, destruction or even blood play, vomit, shit. Not exactly, should I say, good for appearance. Anyways, the point that I'm addressing is due to the versatility of this group, things happen. People are unhappy with it, and, things happen. Drama, trolls, the basics. The one that really actually kind of got to me about 3 weeks ago was a destruction video that had made its way onto the group, where Puma, or Puma Cat on YouTube, had shot a stuffed animal. I'm quite indifferent. In fact, actually, as a moderator, I have to be indifferent to a lot of things that go on within the group, whether I agree with it or not. But the group had really outstepped its boundaries by death threats. I can't really fathom anybody that's that crazy and insane to actually issue a death threat for, a stuffed animal. Anyways, I'd like to point out that, a stuffed animal is not much more than a pillow that is indeed, just a pillow. It just doesn't have a cute face. If one goes and draws a face and somebody shoots the pillow, are you going to go and issue a death threat over this? Really, come on, honestly. It's the same thing. People, get your acts together. And, for those people out there that are like, oh, but it's different, it's spiritual, no, it is literally one in the same. You can even see the inside is stuffing. It's nothing new, nothing different. You aren't going to go kill somebody over a pillow. Why are you going to kill somebody over a stuffed animal or a stuffed toy? Get it together, people. Come on. That's about all I've got to say, okay? Now, let's just, be a group, Things are labeled on this group for a reason. You have labels. Warning, destruction, warning, this. Do you go into a kitchen with a red hot stove and just, well, maybe I should touch it and see if it's hot? Well, you don't touch it because you know it's hot. Well, why do you go into things that are labeled that say something you don't like? Come on. Really, if you go in and it's labeled that clearly, it's your fault don't get mad with the author of the post. You don't like it, so what? I know this ain't going to make any friends. It might make a few enemies. But you can't argue with what I'm saying. You can't argue that what I'm saying isn't true. This is supposedly a group of adults that, over 19 years old, over 18 years old, act like it. I mean, I am in my 30s and I do have stuffed animals, but at least I know the difference. And I do have an attachment to the ones I have. But at the end of the day, I realize they're nothing more than fluff. Work with me on that, okay? I don't want to have to be putting on the moderator voice for you guys over stuff like this, okay? And thank you.